coming to you today with a Bramble Fox scrapbook layout. Oh my gosh, I am going to use the Nature Lover set. How awesome is this? Nature Lover perspective title, tree branch, and that cute owl. Look at how beautiful that is. Now this collection does come with a second owl, but I used him on something else. You saw a picture of it at the beginning. Look at the picture of my baby cousins. Oh my god, could you get cuter than that? I don't think so. So I'm going to put these to the side until I'm ready for them. And I thought I would use Cocoa Vanilla Studio Daydream Collection. It's got beautiful neutral colors in it that will be really nice for a nice fall layout. So I cut 3 strips of paper at 2 inches. This is what you get for talking and trying to concentrate and get something straight at the same time, right? 3 strips of paper at 2 inches each, and then I tore the edges on just one side because you won't see the other side. Oh, I probably did that backwards. Doesn't make any difference. Okay, and I'm just gonna layer them all up together. So I'll just lift this one up. You can also put 3 together before adhering them to the paper if you wanted to. I just thought it would be nice to do it this way. Either way is totally fine. I'm only putting 1 little strip of ATG in case I want to lift them up and distress the edges a little bit. I'm not sure if I want to do that or not yet. Okay, so there's those 3. I was thinking it would be fun if we went like this and just made these come up a little bit. Really nice. I am going to use some pretty florals, the perspectives, and I'm also going to bring in some Bramble Fox stencils because they're so super awesome. I have a whole bunch of ephemera. This is Fussy Cut from the pattern paper, and some of it is from the ephemera pack. Alright, here is a super pretty frame in this wood grain that's perfect. Absolutely perfect for fall photos. So I'll put that there. Get my glue, and I'll show you what I mean. I would just put glue here and there. And hopefully none of it gets on the background. Make sure my photo's straight. Just gonna tuck that. Yeah, like it takes up more room over there. Okay, like this. Okay, and then we will sneak this one in there. I'm not gonna adhere this right now, but I thought we could put Nature Lover here. So I wanna move this up just a little bit. And this says our happy place, a little banner like so. And then maybe we can put a floral in under the frame and under the perspective a little bit too. And that's all right. And then we can put maybe a butterfly right here. And then a butterfly here. And a butterfly here, maybe. We'll see. Then what I wanted to do is put the branch here, just peeking out from underneath that, and then we'll put the little owl on top of it. Isn't that cute? I love it. I don't think we need this. I'm going to come in with this Bramble Fox stencil. It's a sunburst. I love it. And then I also have the amazing mixed media stencil, which I use all the time. I love it. All right, I picked out a few colors. I thought these went good with the collection. They're Altenew Inks, Butternut, Frayed Leaf, and Frosty Pink. I just think that they would look good. I want to be able to come in with this stencil. And I want it like I'm going to do 2 colors. And I'm trying to think, I think I'll do peach and yellow. Now I'm going to come in with my glossy accents. It's just my glue of preference to put my perspectives down. They do adhere very nicely with just regular glue. I just want to make sure that you know that. About right there. Okay, I'll hold that down for a minute. I'm going to need a foam square underneath these flowers. I can do that off camera. Little glossy accents on this super cute owl. I love him. He's so cute. Let's see. We'll put our title here, Nature Lover. So perfect for this photo, isn't it? Okay, little glossy accents here. I'm doing a very thin coat so it doesn't squeeze out the sides. And easy as 1, 2, 3. Make sure I get a good consistent coating of it across the perspective. And I think I want it more like that. Okay. It goes really nicely right there. Gives a little something extra to that pretty wood grain frame. Like that. Nice, nice, nice. All right, and then I did want to put this under there, didn't I? So I'm going to slide that really quick before that dries right up. Oh, I did it. Oh, almost a close call there. You guys are not being able to get that in there. So I'll put some glue right in the middle of my little butterfly and put him there. And I like to just press the middle down, then bend the wings up. I usually end up putting foam squares underneath the wings anyways. And I'll put him there. Like this. I'll probably put a couple little gems in the middle of these maybe. That'll look cute. Like that. All right, it's looking very adorable so far. Okay, I ran and just got a couple foam strips to put underneath there so it would have some support behind it. So I'm going to say love this, and then this one says so sweet, which absolutely is. And I'm going to put this one, what should I do with this one? Should I put it like this? Or like this? Nope, I liked it better here. So I'm going to tuck it underneath the pink one, but still put it in between those 2 layers of pattern paper. Okay, my friends, I am all done. Let me show you up close. I did fussy cut a floral. I like it better up there without the white border, and I put some gold splatters down. And I only ended up doing a little bit of pink fresh gems here, here, and here. I didn't think it needed a lot. I really want this photo to stand out because it's so cute. Okay, so here's these awesome perspectives. Again, that's called the Nature Lover in the shop. And there's the nice title perspective right there. Sorry about the glare. Little cluster with some gold splatters on it there. Mixed media stencil is a must-have in your craft room, along with the sun rays stencil. That came out super cute. I like how it's just going like this out of the photo because you could tell that the sun is shining on them in this photo as well. So close-ups at the end. If you have any questions about Bramble Fox, please feel free to ask me or anybody on the design team, and I'll link Bramble Fox below, and you can check out the Foxbox monthly subscription, and I'll leave a link to our Facebook group. Come on over and join the fun. We have a monthly challenge where you can win a gift card to the shop, which is super fun. So thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a nice day.